We decided to come, although we heard the day before that there was the terrorist attack in Kashmir. But we decided to come. We wanted to see the country, we wanted to meet the people, to see the beauties of your country. And so far, we are very satisfied. We feel safe, the people are beautiful, the people are very hospitable. They are talking to us, they are very, very approachable. So yeah, we are very satisfied here.
You know what? We have been planning this journey for a couple of months already. So we have been prepared for Kashmir, for the beauties of this part of the world. And after the incident, we were thinking, shall we go or shall we not? And then we decided to go because we felt that it is unique opportunity and that it will be maybe not another opportunity for us to come in another couple of years. And we really believed that everything is going to be okay when we come. So what we experienced so far was the real warmth of the people.
Ovi su oni tamo.